would be speaking on the role of ICT in smart cities. And I'm a solution architect by profession at HP. So let me summarize what has been discussed in the session across. So there are two parts. What do citizens want and how does ICT help in that? So to summarize, citizens, we have been told that citizens want safety, efficiency, awareness and services which they use every day. Their environment in which they live and work, that's what they want. And given that there will be 590 million people living in Indian cities by 2030, the planning which we need to do has to be at scale. And in order to do that planning and to execute that planning effectively, we need data. The data being actionable intelligence, actionable information. So the question becomes, how do you get that information, how do you get that data? So now, that's where the role of ICT is. The data can be captured by various sensors, cameras, things like that, spread across the city geography, whether in rural areas or urban areas, remote or dense population areas. So that sensors and cameras would be capturing data, whatever you require. The sensors have become very powerful today. They're small, they are now solar powered. They can capture pressure, flow, temperature, sense, smell, taste, including presence. So that data is captured, sent on wireless, stored into the storage devices, processed for intelligence, trends, patterns, which is put on a dashboard, which is taken on which the human or the machine takes information from decision after intervention needed. And that is done in real time. For example, you might be having a set of sensors on the road, on a traffic pole, or a street light pole, with a water sensor, pollution sensor, traffic sensor, presence sensor, things like that. And if the information comes to you on a real-time basis and you are able to respond back, for example, the water sensor, water level sensor tells you, okay, the water is out on the road, you can probably get back to the water supply department and tell them in 5 hours you are prepared that. Things like that. So that is actionable information. So in order to get that, you need to have a high-speed, reliable, SLA-driven ICT solution, which is a combination of wireless technologies, communication, broadband technologies, servers, storage, network, software, dashboarding, security, and things like that. So that's the role of ICT. Once you have products, then comes the question of integration, design and integration. So you have people who do architecture services, people who do design services, people who do integration and consultancy services. They all are packaged together. And when the product services, etc., or consultancy are packaged together in the correct format, they deliver the smartness to the city. That's what the role of ICT is. And to talk about my company, so we carry a broad portfolio where all of that what we have spoken about is carried. So we have revisions which do all this kind of work. We have approachables, frameworks, things like that. Time permitting, we can have gone through that. But this is what the role of ICT is. And with that, I conclude.